Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the medium car in Brookhaven. First, make sure you've launched the game on your preferred device. Once you're in, look for the car icon on your screen, typically located on the left-hand side. This icon is your gateway to all the vehicles available in the game. Simply click on it to open up the comprehensive vehicle menu and see your options. Now that the vehicle menu is open, take a moment to scroll through the different car choices presented. You'll see a wide array of options, but for our goal, look for the medium car. This is typically represented by a standard sedan or a family-style vehicle. Once you've identified it, simply click on the image or name of the medium car to select it as your preferred ride. After selecting your medium car, you'll usually see a Spawn or Get Car button. Click this to confirm your choice and make the vehicle appear. In just a moment, your brand new medium car will materialize right next to your character in the game world. Once it's spawned, simply walk up to the car and interact with it to hop inside and start your journey around Brookhaven. With your medium car now spawned, you can often customize its appearance, like changing the color or adding small details if the game offers those options. Don't forget to explore other vehicles available in Brookhaven too. There are many fun choices beyond the medium car. You might find a sports car, a truck, or even a motorcycle to try out. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy cruising around Brookhaven in your new ride.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.